Hello students, today in this class we learned very important topic collision in wireless network. So we know that a wireless network means that its nodes are connected to one another through a wireless communication medium such as radio waves. So already we know that this thing. This means that if a wireless network has say 4 nodes A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, then its node will communicate to one another using that common shared wireless medium as displayed in a figure. So if we have this type of network, 4 nodes which are connected a common wireless medium, so transmitting over a shared communication medium requires that at a time only one sender and one receiver use communication medium. If multiple nodes on the same network transmit data at the same time, it leads to a condition called collision and data get lost. So whenever we are transmitting data over a shared communication medium, that time only one sender can and one receiver use this medium. If multiple nodes on same network transmit the data at the same time, it leads to a condition called collision and data gets lost. In a computer network, collision is a specific condition that occurs when two or more nodes on a network transmit data at the same time. Wireless networks use method to ensure that collision are avoided. But still, if collision occurs, the nodes wait for a random amount of time and retransmit the data packet. In general, wireless network use particular method to ensure that collision will not happen. But it happens, it but it collision happens, then nodes wait for a random amount of a time and retransmit data packet. For wireless network, strategy are adopted that avoid collision rather than detecting it. Wireless network implement it using a special protocol called CSMA CA. CSMA stands for Carrier Sense Multiple Access and Collision Avoidance, and wired network use collision detection methods such as CSMA CD, Carrier Sense Multiple Access and Collision Detection. As wired network are fully duplex, hence can receive and listen while transmitting the data. But CSMA CD is not suitable for wireless network, hence CSMA CA is used for a wireless network. So now after the consultation of the collision, we will consult how CSMA CA works. The basic principle of CSMA CA is described in the following lines. So in the first step, node ready to transmit or talk. So our node is ready to transmit or talk. Second step, listen for other nodes if transmission is taking place. So whenever transmission is taking place, we listen for other nodes. Only two of the possibilities. What are the two possibilities are? First is busy. A transmission is taking place, now do the following. If the transmission is busy, then increase back off or wait time. So it is also called BEB, binary exponential back off. Back off means our waiting time will be increased. In second step, sleep as per BEB. In third step, wake up and go to step 1. If our transmission is free, then no transmission is taking place. Now do the following. We will send the message or verify it for proper transmission has taken placing using one of the two methods. First method is ACK, acknowledgement method, and second is request to send and clear to send, RTS CTS method. Both this method we will learn in later videos. So today we learn what is data collision. So collision is when transmitting over a shared communication medium requires that at a time only one sender and one receiver use the communication medium. If multiple nodes on the same network transmit the data at the same time, it leads to a condition called collision, and that time data will be lost. To avoid data collision, we use two methods for wireless CSMA CA and for wired network CSMA CD. Today we discuss how CSMA CA works. It works in two steps. So we discuss all these two steps.